Did you know that there's one move that you can do?
This movement help you build your core over time, help you with your strength, and also you don't need a lot of space to do it. Move. All you need is your 2 hands and your feet. Keep watching, and I'm going to show you how.
It's called the four-legged staff pose, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. First of all, you want to make sure that your hands are flat, palms to the ground, and make sure that your fingers are spread, keeping your elbows tucked in. So that's the top part. We're going now to our feet positioning. Toes to the ground, secure. Position feet shoulder length apart. Ensure that your back, your shoulder, and your neck is aligned in a straight line. And hold this position. The more you practice, the longer you'll be able to hold, and the more your core and your strength will build. Follow and like for more.